What about your cookies and milk and your
They're
carrots? They're gone.
gone.
Tweet. What is that?
Dear Anusha, I see that you are on my nice list this year.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to our 7-day vlog. Last 7 days of 2020, the last week of 2020. We are going to vlog every day and we are going to share what we do this very eventful 2020. Okay, so today is Christmas. The kids are super duper excited.
Yay.
Why are you excited?
Because they're presents.
Presents. Santa came.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. Say hi.
Hi.
So Santa came and he has got some presents, and some are from our family presents. So we are going to open the presents. They are so excited. They can't wait. Let me drink some water. We have just woken up. It's about 9:45.
It's almost 10
So we
o'clock.
woke up around half an hour back. I need to drink some water first. Wait. Yeah, we're going to open the presents now, and you guys, hopefully you're excited for the vlogs. Come, let's open.
I'm excited. These ones.
Those yellow packages. those
I heart
familiar.
SF.
Yellow
She
packages
hearts
are
San
from-
Francisco.
The forms.
This is for me.
The
Wow.
big one is for me.
Wow.
Now let's open this. I think I'm something. Yeah.
What is that?
Can we stop this? Can we stop this? Wait. Don't they even know about Anna? Kids smartwatch. I got a smartwatch.
Wow.
This is a Elsa.
Elsa what?
Elsa, like you can braid your hair.
Wow.
Sister styles, you can make hairstyles on Elsa.
I can also make Anna.
Because you love to style hair.
Yeah, you style hair with, you style everybody's hair. Yeah. And I got a smartwatch. Which one's mine?
Oh, which one? Yeah, that one you Anusha bought for you. Special one. Two. All hair accessories, and we cut Avni's hair. What did you get?
You can make necklaces and you can put in the middle.
Let me see.
You can also carry it.
Wow.
You can carry it. Mommy, is this for me?
Yeah, it's for
Open.
both of you.
Open.
Oh my god, it's so heavy. It's so hard to move. I got a snowball.
Yeah.
I got this. So then a surprise person is gonna come. Which character you want?
Mm. Why do we have all frozen toys?
Because I love the movie.
What's that? This is from Lovisa. This is the
Big sis, little sis.
big sis, little sis. So cute. And we have some sparkly hair
I
toys.
got more.
That is for?
Yeah,
That is
bring
from
that
Anusha to daddy.
Yeah.
Anusha and Avni to daddy. Dad, gift to daddy.
It's just a white thing with that. It's like you carry like it's like
Oh, wow.
it's a bicycle cover so that you can put your phone on it.
Bicycle mount. So nice.
Your
I
phone.
always looked at it. I never bought it. So nice. Thank you, sweetie baby. So nice.
This bag was from the green party and these are from after all jewelry.
What's your jewelry?
No, I got it with daddy when I came, when I went.
Oh, so pretty.
I went with daddy today. I went with
nice.
daddy.
Mommy, can I open the rest?
Yeah.
Can I open this one? See this one.
Wow, so pretty. Oh, those slim bracelets.
Yeah.
Mommy always looks for the slim bracelets.
Yeah,
right?
this is the one. This is the one.
Wow.
Just open it.
Let's open it.
Wearing lip
Oh.
bar.
Oh, I think daddy bought this for you. This.
Oh, so cute.
So
And
like
so many new earrings.
What is that?
Lanesh. Lip balm.
Mommy, I'll help you open
Daddy
this.
got me lipstick.
Yeah, so you love lipstick. Yeah, let's see if it's a teacup. Bought some candles. Look, some
Oh,
candles.
candle.
all around the house?
card.
Mommy, can we throw these all around the house?
No.
Was
A heart.
give
A heart. Oh, it's a card.
gift
It's a wooden card.
is love.
Very interesting.
Mommy, I read this already.
Ooh.
And now somebody,
This
and
is
now
fancy stuff. I don't know what it is, but it is fancy, Daddy. I love it. It has stationery, jewelry, and candles. Three of my favorite things.
This one is for mommy.
Hey,
This one is for
and
me.
there's the gold. Whoa, I think it's a new iron.
Wait, no.
New iron. Like an iron too.
No, it's a computer.
Oh
holder.
wow.
Computer.
Stand for the notebook. To work from home. For 2021 also we'll just continue work from home.
Yeah.
First thing we have to do is clean the house.
No.
No.
We are playing with our toys.
Yay!
now.
And I just made one braid.
She made one braid. It was a little bit tricky.
Yes.
This toy is a little tricky. You have to like figure it out. But yeah, we finally got a braid done. Look at that. Look at Anusha's watch. Oh, wow. That's a
It's a
smart-
phone watch.
It's already 11 o'clock and we just started having drinks. We have been opening gifts only. Gifts kholte kholte itna time ho gaya. And then we have to think about lunch and all that. So what are we doing today? I think today we are going to go to Orchard Road in the evening. Because on Christmas we are supposed to go to Orchard Road to see the lightings. So we had created lots of snow yesterday. I think you may have seen some of the footage. And after the snow dries down, it becomes like thoda dusty. So we are still doing vacuuming. We're still cleaning up the house. Okay guys, so it's around 12:30 now. बहुत late हो गया. So we have ordered the lunch. आज तो कुछ पकाने नहीं वाली हूँ मैं. Just relaxing day today. So this is how my bedroom looks like right now. I think if you have watched my lockdown wala vlog, last time there was nothing here. We were just doing some jugaad. So we have a new bedside table and a lamp. We have some plants also in the room now. So day before yesterday we went to Marine Parade Mall, which is
Oh, someone's here.
that's our food. Okay, let me get the food first. Okay, so that was the food. So day before yesterday we had gone to Marine Parade and we went to bed, bath and table. So they were having some promotion and discount. So we bought few things. So this is a picnic basket we bought. Let me just show you. And there's Avni lying down over there. But here is the picnic basket we bought. Can you show it, Avni?
Okay.
Okay. Open it like this.
Okay. It's already open.
Okay, so Avni is helping me filming the video. So this is how the picnic basket looks like. Okay, it's pretty cool, right? And it has a lining inside which will keep the food warm. And I really like this color. So this is a new set we have purchased.
This is a pillow one.
Morgan and Finch home collection. So this is a quilt cover set. I really liked the design and they were going for like 35% off. So we are going to put this up and see how it changes the decor of the room.
It's soft.
Yeah, it's very soft.
It's very soft.
Okay, Google, play some Christmas music.
Christmas songs of all time Christmas tree Christmas playlist 2020 on YouTube Music. Dashing through the snow.
So we are just waiting for Anusha and Daddy to come back. Then we'll have lunch. And I really love Christmas. This time of the year is just so magical. I'm always in a very happy mood. We were growing up in Calcutta and in Guwahati, where Christmas is pretty huge. My dad used to bring, I think, Christmas tree almost every year. We used to celebrate Christmas. He will, without fail, bring a plum cake. We will have a plum cake. So yeah, very fond memories associated with Christmas. So So we always make it a point to have a Christmas tree and just enjoy this festive season. So you're happy with the watch? It plays music also.
Yeah. 131.
Oh yeah, he is also having an outfit.
And look.
I'm the only one who is not wearing red.
Hey, look at this. We and green.
Okay guys, so we had lunch. We had quite a delicious lunch. उसके बाद मुझे नींद आ गई, मैं सो गई. Then I woke up. We were all done, ready, shower, etc. done, and we think we will see. I think I see your friend.
What?
And I think now we are going to go out to Orchard Road. So we will take you along with us. Come to Orchard Road. So I will go put some color on my face. I had nothing on my face. And we are also going to change my new bed sheet or the quilt cover. I want to see how it looks. Okay, so let's go. Okay, it's all white. Let's try the new one now. So this is how it looks right now. It's good, right? Okay, now you can go on. Avni is waiting for going on the bed and messing it up. This is very important, the Fix Plus. So this is going to keep everything in place even with a mask. So I'm using the Cover Girl one. Okay guys, so we are ready now and we are going to leave soon. It's very sunny. So I think we will go to have a coffee or something first, because Orchard Road we need to go when it's lit up. तो अभी तो बहुत ही उजाला है, अभी तो lights दिखेंगे नहीं ठीक से. So later after the coffee we'll go to Orchard Road. Okay, before we go, चलो checklist. Where are your masks? एक your mask. अभी तो निकलने के पहले इतना कुछ तैयारी लगता है. Mask. Then we need sanitizer. My sanitizer is finished, so I will take a new sanitizer. We need phones, as in we need the app to get into any mall, any enclosed space. We need to scan and enter. So we need the phone or any sort of iCard. So definitely we cannot miss or forget the phone. Okay guys, we have left. We are going to the bus stop. We'll take the bus. बस में जाने का मज़ा ही कुछ और होता है when you are not in a hurry. But it's so sunny, super sunny. My God, it's what's the time? I think 5 o'clock. Super hot today at 5 o'clock.
Let me see. It's 5-6.
हम लोग पहुंच गए Orchard Road. We have arrived. Now we will have some coffee somewhere. Avni has fallen asleep as usual. Okay, Avni is up. The first question she asked is, where is my mask? So as you can see, crowded तो बहुत है, but everybody is wearing mask, so it's pretty safe. मैंने आज तक किसी को without mask देखा नहीं है. In all of these months, I have not seen a single person without a mask. So this is Starbucks. We have to take temperature, check in, check out. Okay, so Starbucks में limited seating है, तो अलग अलग बैठ रहे हैं, मैं और बच्चे बैठ रहे हैं, and Abhishek will sit separately over there. So हर जगह ऐसा ही है वैसे, हर जगह it's limited entry, limited number of people can go in. हर जगह most places में temperature checks like mandatory है, so everything is controlled, so मतलब घूम सकते हैं, इतना safe लगता है काफ़ी. There's lot of control, very strict everywhere. So yeah, अभी थोड़ा कॉफ़ी पियेंगे, then I think we'll just walk along Orchard Road. एंड लेट्स सी, कुछ मेजर कुछ प्लान तो है नहीं. बच्चे कहीं और बैठे बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग. व्हाट आर यू ड्रिंकिंग?
Ice gingerbread latte.
Christmas special drink. And I always have vanilla latte. So मैं वही पी रही हूँ, vanilla latte. Coffee तो हो गया, but I think now it's going to rain. It's getting a little cloudy. So I think we will go quickly inside a mall. We don't have umbrellas today. Usually we carry an umbrella, but today we don't have. There's H&M, a big H&M. This is Orchard Road. It's the mall road basically. Lots of malls and
Do you
shopping.
mean windiest? Because it's gonna rain.
And look at the crowd. But everybody's wearing a mask. Robinson's closed. Meh.
It's unity of diversity.
It's just togetherness, yeah.
Another departmental store. Today it's closed because of Christmas, but this is also a big one. I want to see juicing. Where is the juice?
I can see now. No, I can't.
Freshly squeezed orange juice. No sugar, nothing. Hey. Come to the side. Oh. शाम होने लगी है, so now you can see the beauty of the decorations, but this time it's obviously subdued. और ज़्यादा decorations होता है हर बारी. Have juice. I also want to have juice. It's okay. Have juice. Last year we took the big bus.
I want to go and take a picture.
Orchard Road. I think it's a good place to end the vlog. We have dinner at home, so we don't plan to dine out today. Do join us tomorrow as well, because tomorrow we are planning something fun.
Holiday 1 week.
Holiday 1 week, yeah. So today was day 1, tomorrow will be day 2.
Hi guys! Right? Do tell us in the comment section below if you like this video.
Okay.
Hi guys! Please subscribe. Hi guys! And please subscribe, notification us,
Oh my
and
god,
hit the
she
like
knows
button.
everything. I think
Bye.
we will say bye-bye here.
Bye-bye.
And see you guys tomorrow. Merry Christmas!
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Merry Christmas!